The moment you realize how much of your life is spent chasing approval, it hits differently. You start noticing the subtle ways you shape yourself to fit other people's expectations, changing the way you speak, the way you dress, even the way you think, just so that someone else will nod, smile, or say, "Good job." You begin to see that seeking approval isn't just a harmless habit, it's a silent controller that dictates your decisions, your relationships, and even your sense of self-worth. From the outside, you might seem confident, successful, even happy. But inside, there are constant low-level anxiety, a whisper that tells you, "Am I enough? Are they impressed? Do they like me?" This is the trap that keeps millions stuck, day after day, chasing the wrong kind of validation. Think about your morning routine. Maybe you scroll through social media first thing, not because you want to, but because you're secretly measuring yourself against others. That double tap or comment gives a brief hit of reassurance, a fleeting sense that you're seen, that you matter. But the moment it disappears, or when someone ignores your post, it's like a mini crash, a reminder that your self-esteem depends on external approval. And it doesn't stop there. At work, you over-explain your ideas in meetings, not because it strengthens your message, but because you want colleagues to notice, to acknowledge, to nod along. You avoid voicing dissent or risky opinions, terrified of disapproval or judgment. Even in relationships, you play roles, supportive friend, agreeable partner, trying to maintain harmony at the cost of your true feelings. Over time, this constant performance becomes exhausting, eroding the very authenticity that could have made you magnetic, confident, and self-assured. The psychological roots of this habit run deep. From childhood, we are conditioned to seek approval. A smile from a parent, praise from a teacher, acknowledgement from peers, each reinforces the idea that external validation equals worth. Later, social media amplifies this need exponentially. Every like, comment, or share acts as a dopamine trigger, momentarily rewarding you for conforming, for performing. And just like that, your brain starts equating your value with what others think, building an invisible cage you didn't even know existed. You can see the contrast when you pause and imagine life without this invisible leash. Imagine making decisions freely, guided by your own values and desires instead of the constant question, "Will they approve?" Imagine speaking your mind without rehearsing it 100 times in your head. Imagine pursuing goals that excite you rather than ones that look impressive to others. This contrast is jarring because it reveals how much of your energy has been spent living someone else's version of your life. That realization can be uncomfortable, almost painful, but it's also liberating. It's the first glimpse of what real freedom feels like. Even subtle examples are everywhere. Think about the times you agreed to plans you didn't want to go to, just to avoid disappointing someone. Or the times you said yes to extra responsibilities at work that drained you, because declining felt like letting others down. Or maybe you've hidden parts of yourself, opinions, quirks, passions, fearing ridicule or rejection. These small, repeated acts accumulate, quietly stealing confidence and fueling anxiety. Over time, you stop trusting your own judgment and start depending on constant feedback from others to feel okay. And yet, the moment you become aware of this, a shift begins. Awareness is the first crack in the cage. Recognizing these patterns is uncomfortable, yes, but it's also a form of empowerment. Suddenly, you can see the invisible forces controlling your life and make a conscious choice. Continue seeking validation and remain confined, or take the first step toward internal freedom. The key is understanding that this is not just about self-esteem. It's about reclaiming control over your decisions, your energy, and ultimately, your happiness. In this section alone, you start to notice a pattern. Approval seeking is not just a habit, it's a lifestyle, and it quietly shapes every choice you make. But what happens if you stop? What if you decided that your worth isn't borrowed, and that living authentically matters more than fitting in? The answer isn't immediate bliss or perfection. It's subtle, powerful, and life-changing in ways you might not expect. The seed of change begins here, with awareness, with a decision to stop performing for everyone else, and with the realization that your life can be yours to design. Once you start noticing how deeply approval-seeking influences your behavior, the emotional toll becomes impossible to ignore. It's not just about wanting a compliment or a nod of recognition. It's a constant, exhausting tug-of-war inside your mind. Every decision feels loaded. Every interaction comes with an unspoken test. Will they like me? Will they respect me? Will they judge me? The tension is subtle at first, almost invisible. But over time, it grows heavier, and it starts to weigh on your confidence, your happiness, and even your health. You might achieve external success, getting promotions, praise, social recognition. But internally, there's an emptiness, a silent whisper reminding you that none of it is truly yours. This hidden cost often manifests in a pattern. You work tirelessly to meet expectations, striving to be the perfect employee, friend, partner, or child, but it never feels like enough. You're constantly measuring yourself against others, obsessing over how your actions are perceived, and the comparison never ends. One day, a coworker's success triggers envy. The next day, a friend's praise feels hollow. Social media only amplifies this. Curated images of perfect lives make your own efforts feel inadequate, even if you are achieving remarkable things. And this comparison isn't just fleeting. It embeds itself in your identity, convincing you that your self-worth is conditional, fragile, and dependent on external feedback. The emotional consequences are more severe than most people realize. Anxiety becomes a regular companion. You second-guess yourself at every step, hesitating to make choices without approval from someone else. Decisions that should feel natural. Speaking up in a meeting, pursuing a passion project, asserting a boundary, become sources of stress. The mind is constantly calculating. If I do this, will they think less of me? Will they disapprove? Even minor criticism feels catastrophic, triggering disproportionate guilt or shame. Over time, this chronic tension can lead to burnout, indecision, and a lingering sense of emptiness. You may appear productive or social on the outside, but internally, you are exhausted by the constant need to perform. Relationships also suffer under this invisible weight. When you're driven by approval, connections become transactional. You give, compromise, and bend your boundaries to gain acceptance or avoid conflict. But in doing so, you lose your authenticity. Friends, family, and partners sense the tension. They may praise you, but they can never connect with the you that is unafraid to disappoint or challenge them. Over time, you feel isolated, misunderstood, and emotionally drained because the parts of yourself you hide for approval never get to breathe. Even your own sense of identity is compromised. Approval seeking subtly reshapes your preferences, behaviors, and ambitions. You might pick a career path because it looks impressive, a hobby because it's socially acceptable, or even suppress your natural talents because they seem unconventional. Each time you ignore your inner voice in favor of external validation, you reinforce the notion that your self-worth is not intrinsic. The ironic truth is that the harder you try to be liked, the less connected you feel to yourself. The psychological insight behind this is powerful. Studies in behavioral science show that approval seeking triggers the brain's reward system in a loop. Praise and recognition release dopamine, reinforcing the behavior, while rejection or criticism activates stress responses. It's addictive, and over time, your nervous system becomes trained to crave validation while simultaneously fearing disapproval. The more you rely on others for self-esteem, the more unstable and anxious your emotional state becomes. But the most striking cost is subtle and often unnoticed: missed opportunities. When you prioritize others' perceptions over your desires, you shy away from risks, new experiences, and self-expression. That promotion you didn't ask for, the hobby you never pursued, the conversation you avoided, they accumulate silently, leaving you with a sense of regret masked as being responsible or playing it safe. Emotional tension builds quietly, leaving you feeling trapped, unfulfilled, and frustrated, even when everything seems fine externally. Despite all this, the moment you recognize the pattern, a new perspective emerges. Awareness alone is transformative. Once you understand how much approval seeking has dictated your emotions, choices, and energy, you can begin to imagine a life not tethered to others' judgments. This is where empowerment begins. You start to see that anxiety, self-doubt, and dissatisfaction are not inherent flaws. They are symptoms of a system you can choose to leave behind. You realize that freedom is possible, but only when you shift your mindset, reclaim internal validation, and learn to honor your own voice above all else. By fully facing the emotional cost of approval seeking, you start to grasp what's at stake. It's not just about feeling good or being confident, it's about regaining control over your mental and emotional life. The tension, anxiety, and subtle emptiness are not inevitable. They are signals that you've been living according to someone else's script. And once you acknowledge this truth, a profound sense of possibility emerges. The chance to live authentically, to take back your time and energy, and to discover the confidence that comes from valuing yourself, not others' opinions. Breaking free from the habit of seeking approval starts with one critical realization: your worth does not come from others. This might sound simple, almost cliché, but it's revolutionary when you truly internalize it. For years, you've been living in a feedback loop, an endless cycle of doing, performing, and hoping that someone, anyone, will notice, approve, or praise you. The first step toward freedom is awareness, recognizing the patterns that keep you tied to external validation. Maybe it's constantly double-checking emails, hesitating to speak your mind in meetings, or reshaping your personality to fit in socially. Whatever it is, these behaviors are signals, not flaws. They indicate areas where you have been unconsciously surrendering your power. Once you spot these patterns, the next step is to consciously choose a different path. The mindset shift isn't about rejecting others or becoming indifferent. It's about reclaiming control over your own life. Begin by redefining what success and worth mean to you. Instead of measuring achievement by likes, comments, or approval, anchor your value in personal integrity, effort, and authenticity. Ask yourself, am I living in alignment with my values? Am I acting in a way that feels true to me, regardless of what others think? This internal recalibration is the foundation for real change. Practical exercises accelerate this transformation. Start with small acts of defiance against approval seeking. Say no when you feel obligated to say yes. Express an opinion you've been holding back. Take a risk in your work or personal life without seeking reassurance. These microactions are training for your brain. They teach you that disapproval is survivable and that your value remains intact regardless of external reaction. Each small victory compounds, building confidence and reinforcing internal validation. Journaling is another powerful tool. Each day, write down moments when you acted from your own desires rather than seeking approval. Reflect on how it felt emotionally, mentally, and physically. Did it create relief, excitement, pride? Noticing the positive impact reinforces the mindset shift and gradually rewires your thought patterns. Similarly, track instances where you defaulted to approval seeking. Seeing these patterns on paper creates awareness without judgment and allows you to plan actionable responses for the future. Digital detox and social media mindfulness play a crucial role as well. Social platforms are engineered to trigger approval-seeking behaviors. They're dopamine factory built around likes, comments, and shares. Limit exposure, unfollow accounts that provoke comparison, and avoid mindless scrolling. Replace the habit with activities that reinforce internal validation. Creative projects, exercise, skill development, or meaningful conversations. By controlling your inputs, you reduce the external triggers that constantly challenge your self-worth. Setting boundaries is another essential strategy. When you stop seeking approval, you inevitably clash with expectations. Friends, family, colleagues may resist the change because they are accustomed to the old dynamic. Firm, respectful boundaries are vital. Communicate your priorities clearly and protect your time, energy, and emotional space. This doesn't mean being cold or unkind. It means honoring yourself, which paradoxically creates deeper respect from others. People may initially react, but over time, they adjust and even admire your consistency. Self-compassion is the glue that holds this mindset together. Breaking free from approval seeking is not linear. You will slip back, doubt yourself, or fear judgment. Instead of criticizing yourself, treat every stumble as data, not failure. Ask, what can this moment teach me about my triggers, my fears, and my values? This approach transforms mistakes into lessons and keeps momentum alive. Visualizing life without the need for constant approval accelerates the change. Picture yourself making decisions freely, expressing thoughts authentically, and pursuing passions boldly. Imagine conversations where you speak your truth without fear, relationships built on honesty, not performance, and achievements celebrated because they matter to you, not because someone else noticed. The emotional impact of this mental rehearsal primes your brain to recognize opportunities for authentic action when they arise. Real-life examples further illustrate the power of this shift. Consider someone who spent years climbing the corporate ladder, shaping their persona to fit every manager's preference. Once they stopped seeking approval, they pursued a business aligned with their passion. Initially, doubt and criticism from peers were intense, but over time, confidence, fulfillment, and genuine recognition emerged, none of which would have been possible while trapped in approval seeking. Similar stories exist in everyday life: friendships that deepen, hobbies that flourish, and personal projects that finally see the light because they were pursued for intrinsic satisfaction, not validation. Emotional payoff is profound. Anxiety and self-doubt decrease. Clarity about priorities emerges. Decisions feel lighter and more aligned with your authentic self. Over time, the very act of living without seeking constant approval rewires your nervous system to find satisfaction internally, creating resilience against criticism and external pressure. Your energy, previously scattered trying to please everyone, is now available for creation, growth, and meaningful connection. Ultimately, breaking free is about more than self-confidence, it's about liberation. You reclaim your time, your focus, and your emotional energy. You gain the freedom to experiment, fail, and succeed on your own terms. You start living a life where joy, satisfaction, and meaning are sourced from within, rather than borrowed from fleeting external validation. And once this mindset takes root, the possibilities are limitless. Every decision becomes an opportunity to honor yourself, every interaction a chance to practice authenticity, and every challenge a test of your internal strength. This shift doesn't happen overnight, but with deliberate action, reflection, and courage, it transforms not just how you behave, but who you become. You move from a life dictated by fear of judgment to a life defined by intentionality, freedom, and empowerment. And in that space, you discover something remarkable. When you stop seeking approval, you finally start living, and living fully, on your own terms. The moment you stop chasing approval, life begins to shift in ways you never imagined. Decisions feel lighter, conversations more authentic, and opportunities seem to appear naturally because you are no longer operating from fear. Imagine waking up and choosing your day based on your own priorities, not the imagined judgment of others. The relief is immediate, but the deeper transformation is far more profound. It's the emergence of a version of yourself that has been waiting patiently, suppressed by years of seeking validation. This is the empowered life, one where freedom, confidence, and self-respect are your default states, not occasional rewards. Authenticity becomes magnetic. When you stop performing, people respond not to the version of you think they want, but to the real, unapologetic you. Relationships deepen because they are built on honesty rather than expectation. Friends and partners appreciate you not for the role you play, but for the presence you bring. This shift can be subtle at first, like noticing more genuine smiles, laughter that feels lighter, or conversations that linger with meaning instead of obligation. Gradually, it becomes a new standard, interactions that are enriching, not draining, and connections that reinforce your autonomy rather than challenge it. Freedom also opens the door to creativity and risk-taking. No longer tethered to external approval, you can explore passions and ambitions without hesitation. That project you've been dreaming of, the skill you've wanted to master, or the bold step you feared taking suddenly feel possible. Each action taken for your own fulfillment reinforces internal validation and builds momentum. Over time, the small victories accumulate, creating a self-sustaining cycle of empowerment. You begin to notice that the world responds differently, not because you are seeking approval, but because your confidence and clarity naturally attract opportunity and respect. The emotional payoff is equally transformative. Anxiety diminishes, self-doubt fades, and a sense of calm presence takes root. You become more attuned to your values, desires, and intuition, making decisions that align with your true self. Life no longer feels like a performance but a canvas, and you are free to paint it boldly, intentionally, and beautifully. Every choice becomes an expression of self-respect, and even setbacks are reframed as lessons rather than threats to your worth. This emotional stability is not fleeting. It grows stronger with every action taken in alignment with internal validation. Finally, this empowered life inspires others. When people witness your freedom and authenticity, they feel permission to examine their own patterns of approval seeking. You become a subtle catalyst for change, not by preaching, but by living fully, courageously, and honestly. The ripple effects touch friendships, workplaces, and communities, proving that internal freedom is not just personal, it's transformative. The journey to this life starts with small, deliberate choices, awareness, mindset shifts, boundary setting, and the courage to act authentically. It's not always easy, but the reward is unparalleled. Imagine a life where your happiness, confidence, and success are not borrowed from others but generated from within. This is the life waiting on the other side of approval seeking, a life of clarity, freedom, and empowerment. And once you step into it, you realize the truth. The moment you stop seeking approval, you start living the life you were always meant to lead.